You want anything else?
You guys, I just saw Apache helicopters fly around there somewhere.
Sorry, I told him to look.
Yeah, there they are. Yes. So they were Apache helicopters. They flew really close over me. They were Apache helicopters from Raleigh, Durham. I find that pretty interesting because I've never seen Apache helicopters up close before, and I've really never seen a helicopter up close before, or a military helicopter.
Military.
So
Oh my
I find that pretty interesting to see. By the way, no airport video today. Bye.